With our goblin smile in place, let's move back up to the eyes for one of our finishing touches on the makeup. What we're going to do here is we're going to draw in the eyebrows. Now, on some other makeup I've done, the eyebrows are pretty solid black. That's something we're not going to do here. Basically, take the makeup and we're going to lightly color them in, but we're not going to make them extreme jet black. We're just not going to do that because that would be way too extreme and it'll look really weird with the contrast with the latex. So don't be afraid to go up a little bit into the latex. The latex should be more like a part of this as opposed to something very separate. So, and as we're drawing in the eyebrows, kind of go with this basic motion where you kind of like arch it over, and then at the tips where the normal eyebrow might end, kind of flip it up. There should be a little flip here at the end where the eyebrow is going to come up. And we're going to do this on both eyebrows. They can be a little offset to a degree, but not too much. We don't want there to be, we want in general for there to be overall symmetry on the eyebrows.